19. Our friend's animal. The children in the class were startled on hearing the sound tuck. The sound came from the ceiling fan. Kalani shouted, "Look, look, a bird in hurt!" Peter got up at once and picked up the bird. It was in pain. Navajit and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. Peter lovingly patted the bird. They held the bowl to the bird's beak. It drank a little water and slowly started flapping its wing. Navajit told all the children to move back. They noticed that the birds were trying to fly. In a while, the bird flew away. Next day, the children saw a bird circling above them in their classroom. The children tried to find out whether it was the same bird that was heard the previous day. They quickly switched off the fan and started to clap. Put the sentences in the correct order. Peter laughing patted the bird. The children saw a bird circling in their classroom. Nabajit and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. The bird flew away. The bird hurt itself with the fan. The children saw a bird circling the classroom. 1, 2, the bird hurt itself with a fan. 3, Peter lovingly patted the bird. Navajit Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. And next the bird flew away. Shankar was very happy. A cat had given birth to 4 kittens in the courtyard of his house. He started spending his free time with them. One morning, Shankar was woken up by the cat's cry. Do you know how a cat cries? Comment this. He ran toward the courtyard. He saw that the cat was crying and cuddling its 3 kittens. One of the kittens was missing. He went outside and found Malini patting a kitten. Shankar called Malini into his courtyard. Malini saw the cat crying. What do you think Malini would have done? Comment this. Discussion on feelings in animals will help develop sensitivity in children towards STEM. Bholi is Menu's cow. Menu takes Bholi to the field to graze daily. One day, a speeding scooter hit Bholi's and hurt her leg. The wound was bleeding heavily. What will people in Menu's family do? Comment this. Chandu Dhobi looks after his donkey very well. The donkey too does a lot of his work. Look at the pictures and write what are the things that Chandu does for his donkey. Comment this. Do you or any of your neighbors have a pet? Which one? What name have you given to your pet? What do you do when your pet is hungry, feeling hot or cold, teased by someone, hurt? We keep some pet animals at home. We look after them too. In the table below are the names of some such animals. Complete the table. Name of the animal. Why do you keep them? Dog. It gives milk. It pulls a cart. Ox, hen, fish. We love it. Honeybee. Comment this. We keep animals as pets and look after them. An understanding of this relationship will help children develop an understanding of interdependence of living beings in the environment. Bird bath. Take a small earthen pot having a wide mouth. Tie the pot with a rope and hang it as shown in the picture. Pour some water in the pot and hang it on the branch of a tree or on a hook outside your house. Pour water in it every day. Observe which birds come to drink water. Like us, animals also need water to live. There are many other things which are required by both animals and humans. Write the names of three such things. Comment this. You must have included food in your list. You know that we eat a variety of food. Similarly, animals too eat different kinds of food. Have you ever fed any animal or seen anyone else feeding any animal? If yes, then fill in the table. Comment this. Help children make a bird bath. Keep the bird bath outside in the open so that the children can observe the birds closely and get to know about them. Name of the animal you fed. What did you feed? Comment this. Why do you feed these animals? Which animal did most children feed? What did they feed? Do you have these names in your list? Find out what these animals eat. Rat, cockroach, pig, bat, crow, squirrel, monkey, spider, lizard. Think, have any animals ever eaten your food against your will? How? Comment this. Who eats what? Match by drawing lines of different colors. One example is shown. Goat, grass, chapati, chapati fruits, vegetable. Mosquito, human beings, snake, rat, lizard, ant, sparrow, ant. Comment this. Write the names of the animals you have touched, you have not touched, but you can touch. You cannot touch. Comment this. We do not go near some animals for the fear that they may bite us, harm us, or eat us up. You have seen that there are some animals whom we can touch. These often live in our houses or around us. Of these, a few animals help us in many ways. It can be discussed with the children that touching animals means patting them lovingly and not teasing them. The picture given on the next page shows balance in nature. It is essential to clarify this to the children in a simple and easy manner. The Queen's Garden. Read this picture and discuss in the class. The gardener has brought mangoes from the Queen's garden. So many mangoes. Goods. Your Majesty, there would have been double the amount of the birds had not eaten them. What did you say? The birds have eaten the mangoes? Why did you allow the birds into the garden? Please forgive me, I will not let any bird come into the garden. Fewer mangoes than last year. Why did you not stop the birds from entering the garden? Next year, I stopped them, your majesty. I did not let a single bird enter, but this year the insects have eaten the mangoes. If there had been birds, then they would have eaten the insect. We would not have lost so many mangoes.